What are you reaching for?
Let me go.
Don't fucking reach.
Bro.
Did you take any?
Try me.
Relax. Stop reaching.
Back up. Don't you dare.
Come here. Come here.
Don't come here, man. Dare.
Come here. Have a seat.
He's stabbed in the head.
What's up, officers?
This guy.
You help me out, man.
What's going on, man?
So I pretty much I left my cereal and my milk on the bus, and I'm already stressing because I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Literally, unless y'all want to know.
It's stuck outside, boss.
Come on. And I'm freaking out, bro.
Okay, well, first of all, don't be slamming the doors if you're freaking out.
That's how I opened it. I just went like this.
Relax. Put all your stuff down. Relax. Put all your stuff down.
No, I'm okay like this.
Put all your. If you want our help,
if you want
our help and you want us to talk, you need to put that stuff down.
No, because I'm not gonna tell you what I got going on in my life. You wanna play with me? I'm not playing with y'all.
What the hell are you reaching for? Stop.
You ain't gonna shoot me, bro.
What are you reaching for?
Let me go.
Don't fucking reach.
Bro.
Don't you fucking reach. You understand me?
Then shoot, empty out that bitch right now.
Don't you fucking reach.
Empty it. Come on, bro. I don't got time for you cops. Go ask your sergeant.
You came to us, man.
Let me walk over there and I'll tell you what's going on.
No, you're gonna stay right here.
Right here.
You're not gonna tell me what to do. My freedom.
You came to us.
Tomorrow's my promise, bro.
You came to us.
What's going on?
Because y'all are the police that can
13,
help
send us
me.
another unit, code 2.
But instead, y'all doing this fucking shit that they always do. And I'm not trying to go. You want me to go into the law and start going into codes and statutes?
What is going on? What happened to the milk and cereal thing? What is your name?
My name's Gustavo Sandoval Rico. Man, y'all wasting my time, bro. I'm finna walk away, bro, and it doesn't matter.
Gustavo what?
Stop reaching.
I don't give a fuck. You're gonna empty that
Stop
motherfucker.
reaching.
I'm a dad, bro,
Okay.
and I haven't seen my son
We gotta go.
in a long time.
We're trying to help you.
And over a year.
You came to us for help. So we left
Keep
you.
walking, man. Keep walking.
We're trying to help you. Do you understand that?
Yes, I know.
Did you take any?
Do not try me.
Relax.
Do not try
Stop
me.
reaching.
Don't try me. You get closer.
Stop
I'm gonna
fucking
fuck you up.
reaching, man. Stop fucking reaching.
Man, bro.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
Let me
Stop
go.
fucking
Let me
reaching.
tell you what's
If you
wrong.
reach one more time, I'm gonna fucking
My
tase you.
complex is getting fucking bashed
Okay,
in
stop.
by other shit that's not human.
You need to chill out.
You need to relax.
Look,
You need to chill
I'm
out.
trying, bro. I am chilling, but you're not gonna touch me. I didn't break no law. I didn't do nothing
I know.
suspicious.
Stop.
And I know my statutes and codes, bro, and I will sue you.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna record you.
Stop. Stop.
Record it. Hey, I came into CVS over here.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
No.
Come here,
You're
man.
not
We
gonna
just want to help you.
They're gonna kill me tonight.
We're
then.
not gonna
They're
kill
gonna
you.
fucking kill me tonight.
Stop.
Hey, y'all don't.
We're literally.
Y'all gonna
Come
have to kill
here.
me tonight.
Help.
Come
gonna have to
here.
kill me
Come
tonight.
here. Come here.
Y'all gonna have to kill me tonight.
We don't want to kill you. Come
Nah,
here.
y'all gonna have to kill me because I ain't
Come
going
here,
to jail.
man. You're not
I
going
ain't
to
do
jail.
shit.
You're okay.
I want to see my son.
We're gonna take you to
That's
see your
all.
son, man.
I'm not. Y'all go welfare check.
Hey, relax.
Welfare check. Y'all finna get it, don't you dare. I want to see my son.
We're gonna take
That's all. I'm not. Y'all go welfare check.
Hey, relax, man. Relax.
Welfare
Relax.
check. Y'all finna get it, don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare. Don't you dare.
Come here. Come here.
Don't
Come
you
here, man.
fucking dare.
Come here.
Back up! Back up! Back up!
Stop shooting.
My son!
Get away.
My son!
My 13 evening.
My son!
I've been stabbed.
My son!
Send a bus.
My son! Hey, stop! Get the back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Where is he?
Oh my God.
Where's the suspect? 300 mile.
He has a knife.
He has a knife. One officer cut on the head.
You gotta get something to stop this bleeding. Y'all gotta get something to stop this bleeding. I need a gauze.
Okay. You okay? You okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Fuck, bro, what's going on? I got it. Don't worry about it. Take the holster.
Are you a nurse? Okay, this is my partner needs help.
Have a seat. 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 Have a seat.
He's stabbed in the head.
Hey, I'm Dr. Lynn. Nice to meet you. I'm an ER doctor, okay? Let me just take a look, okay? You're gonna be just fine. You put your hand down.
Right here.
We got it.
We got caught right here.
Where you at, man?
Yeah, caught right here.
Hey. I'm a doctor. There's a large
Did you black out at all, brother?
No, not yet.
No?
Okay. Let's go, Carl. I got you.
Somebody secure his weapon.
Wherever you want to go. Wherever you guys go.
Yeah, jump in the back, yeah. Hey, talk.
I'm a doctor.
Where's the knife? It's right here in the right hand.
Is he hit or stabbed or what?
Nice shot.
Oh, you got shot?
Okay. What on the side?
Okay.
Oh, he shot in the head. He shot in the head.
You got shot in the head? Okay.
Leave it like this for now.
Yeah.
You got him secure.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.